might find your WhatsApp wallpaper chat a bit boring, so you want to change the WhatsApp wallpaper chat. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your WhatsApp wallpaper chat. Before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my WhatsApp and let me show you how you can change the WhatsApp chat wallpaper. Let's go. First of all, turn on your WhatsApp app. Okay, so there's two ways you can change your WhatsApp chat wallpaper. One is to change for all your chats, another one is to change the individual chat. I'm going to show you how you can do it for all your WhatsApp chat first. So first of all, go to settings. Then you can see at the bottom, click on chats and then click on default chat theme, which is on top. So you can see there's different themes. So you can see different theme at different colors as well. We're not going to that. We're just going to change wallpaper. So click on wallpaper. So you can see that there's many different wallpaper you can choose. It's up to you. For example, you want to set this wallpaper, but I want to set for my photos. So I just click for my photos. I want to select this parking lot. So let's take this parking lot. Set. All right. So when you go back, so you can see all the chat is with the parking lot photo. All right. But how do you want to change individually? So for example, I go to testing only. So I just want to change specifically for this chat. Click on the testing only. So you can see here, chat theme, click on it, wallpaper. And then for example, I want this to be the green one, the macaroons. All right, set. So you go back. So you can see that this picture is the parking lot picture, whereas for this chat specifically, it is the macaroon pictures. So yeah, so this is how you can change the wallpaper for your chat. I showed you two ways. You can change for the whole chat, or you can change only for specific chat. Okay, if you like what I share and new to this channel, do like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.